Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made $304 in just over 31 minutes. So that's what's going to happen in today's video. It was a crazy day. Let's get right to it. Okay, so here we are inside TradingView, and this was my day so far. I traded 1,000 shares total and gained $304.36. It's only 9:01 a.m. at the time of this video, but today was a great day from a setup standpoint for the strategy that I use when I trade the S&P 500. So let me just walk you through what I did, and I'm trying to continue to get better as being a teacher. So if you have any questions, just write them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer those. Here's what it looked like. At the beginning of the trading day, you can see this sort of light gray versus the darker gray here in the 5-minute chart in the top left window. At the beginning of the trading day, the S&P 500 was on this upward trajectory. Okay, so it had this upward trajectory in its futures, and it was reaching these lines of resistance, and it was kind of going through them all. So it went through this line of resistance, bounced off this one, so we created a line of support there, and then started to, at open, shoot up. Now let's look at the open on the 1-minute chart here. After a brief period of dipping below this exponential moving average, that's when it went up above the exponential moving average and went from about, from bottom to top, it would be 242.59 up to 249. So like this $4 or $5 range here. And as it was continuing to go higher and higher, that's when I entered into a trade because I saw it was pulling back and there was some momentum there. It looked like it was bouncing off of this a little bit, following this trend. So I entered a trade, a real quick trade, and I played that long. Now, why did I do that? It really had to do with this support line here that I drew, this trend line. What would it be here? Yeah, it'd be this one right here at 244. Because the price action went up to that point, down below, up, broke through, back to that support line, and then continued higher, I felt like that was as low as it was going to go on that move, and so that if I entered a trade near that support line, I would be able to capture some of the gains, because in my experience, if you have sort of a near convergence of this moving average and a support line, you can have more confidence in which direction it's going to go. So I played that for just a little bit, and then, I'm trading for income. I'm trading for, I'm learning this strategy. I'm honing in this strategy. So I didn't want to stay too long, and so once it, I tightened up my stop, meaning I brought my stop closer and closer to the price, and once it fell, I took profits. So that was about a $50 winner, and that was great. I continued to watch this trend, and as it got closer to this resistance line here, I thought that, it's going to crash back down off of that resistance line. And you can see over here on the 5-minute chart, this is why I thought that, because there was so much room between where the exponential moving average was and this resistance line. I thought, oh no, it's overextended, it's definitely going to crash. So I tried to short that position, and that was unsuccessful. I lost about $40 on that trade because, again, I keep my stops so tight, and I wasn't trusting the chart. I wasn't trusting what I had seen in the chart. I wasn't trusting my strategy long enough. And I think that's one thing that I'm learning is I just need to trust the chart more because I'm leaving a lot of money on the table. I'm making a few $100 a day, which is awesome. But if I trust the chart, I think I can make a few $1,000s a day. So that's where I want to get to. Right now, this strategy is working for me, so I'm just going to stay with it and slowly adjust that stop so that I trust the chart a little bit more. But anyway, let's look back at the chart. Better safe than sorry, right? That's kind of one of my rules as well. All right, so it did go back up to this 249 resistance line, and then it did come back down and touch the moving average. Now, I did play this. Once I saw this candle close, once I saw that it was staying underneath, so this is the 1-minute chart, that it was staying underneath and bouncing off of this 1-minute exponential moving average line, that's when I did play this short, and I shorted it to the tune of $304. So all in all, that was a great move for me, a great trade, and you can see how it's kind of staying on the bottom of this exponential moving average line the whole way down. I exited the trade. Where did I exit the trade? I don't know, but these I can't remember. I should find a way to, I should just trade live a little bit. Maybe that would be fun. If you guys want me to trade live, write that in the comments below and let me know. But I was just bouncing off, bouncing off, bouncing off, bouncing off. Now let's see if this can start some momentum above this exponential moving average. And let's also see if this candle on this chart can get above the exponential moving average line. Because again, with my strategy, what I'm doing is I'm waiting for confirmation. I'm seeing the crossover on the 1 minute chart, seeing that it confirms staying below, and then I'm also trying to confirm that it stays below on the 5 minute chart. I hope that makes sense. Again, I'm trying to create more videos and tutorials and ways of understanding my strategy. Not because it's financial advice. None of this is financial advice. And I don't even suggest you do day trading because so many people lose so much money and they think it's a get-rich scheme, and it's not. But I want to just sort of hone my thoughts on how I'm trading, how the markets work, because I think the markets are fascinating. It's a wonderful time to be alive. All of that stuff. But I'm done for the day. $304. I'm shutting it down. Like I said earlier, I think I've got other things I want to do. I want to make some of those videos, and I'm always tempted to just hop back in the market and hop back in the market. But you know what? There's going to be an opportunity tomorrow, and maybe tomorrow I can trust my charts a little bit more and make more than $304. We'll see. We'll see you guys hopefully later. Take care. Have a great day. We'll see you later. All right, so there we have it again, another green day. It's awesome to be so many green days in a row. It doesn't always happen like that, but it has so far. If you guys want to see more videos like this, then you can click on some of these over here. Make sure you subscribe, like the channel, share the channel, and stick around with me for the journey as I explore all these different streams of income, not just day trading, but other streams of income as well, so that not only can you make money, but you can also reclaim your time and live, a meaningful, fulfilled life. Isn't that what it's all about? Anyway, take care. Stay healthy because we're in quarantine today, and have a wonderful day. See ya.